Guys, Russ Morseman here with Chasing the Checkers. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas. Today we're going to try to get this back wall framed in and then the paneling on the inside. And then I got to go and put the strips along the ceiling and woody putty fill the holes in. I guess that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get to it.
What do they want from me? Going country. Yeah, they love me up there and down there too. When I'm doing the shows, all of the roads, man, they be going so crazy.
Hey guys, it's Monday night. We got a lot done yesterday. Got all the walls back in, the back wall framed, the cabinet in, the ceiling in. Put the strips down the ceiling. This is all going to get painted white. We're doing white, and the cabinets all be like a dark gray. The color's going to be white, gray, and some red. So it should be pretty cool. Tonight we're going to work on framing the old door in. But yeah, let's get to it. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. We got some wiring to do. I got the lights came in yesterday. We started the last thing that we haven't tore out yet, which was the slide We got down to the floor and the very edge is wet. I Googled it and checked on YouTube some videos, and I guess it's a common problem with people's slides in their camper. The water runs down the outside wall, and they wrap the floor with like this Tyvek stuff, and what it does is it runs down and wicks into the floor. The one guy had a 3-year-old camper that the floor, he had a big hole, about a 6" by 6" hole. This, it's just soft. There's no holes, but got to get that fixed. So, but I figured we'll get the lighting, get some of those lights put in, be a little easier to see inside here, and then we'll tackle that. But let's get to it. With that, I'm going to end this week's video here. Happy New Year's to everybody. And just make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and come back next year. Until then, we'll see ya.